Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Audi A1 Citycarver we've currently got for sale, finished in glacier white in combination with that black roof. It's got that 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 116 PS with that 6-speed manual gearbox. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you'll benefit from LED headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions. You've also got power folding and heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting, so plenty of room for your weekly shop plus much more. And inside you get lovely pattern cloth seats with ISOFIX points on the outer seats. Towards the front as you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also an optionally fitted centre armrest. Just behind the wheel you've got a full digital display housing all your vital driving information, and alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps on your smartphone directly onto the screen such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's multiple driver modes also available, including a dynamic setting for a more sporty drive. And to help with parking you've also got rear parking sensors. You've also got some safety systems on board, keeping the family safe on the road at all times, including your speed limiter and lane departure warning. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got the optionally fitted jaws and climate control, with a little bit of storage below and a couple more USB ports. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.